Let's go over two simple ways to block your availability in Koalendar so you can enjoy time off stress-free. The first is to set yourself as away from right inside the app. This is perfect for blocking longer periods like a multi-day holiday or a week-long vacation. To do this, we'll head over to the top right-hand corner and click on your profile icon and select Set Me as Away. Here, we'll add the start and end dates for when we'll be away and hit Apply. And that's it. For this entire period, all of your booking pages will show you as unavailable. The next way is to use your connected calendar like Google or Outlook to do the blocking for you. To do this, click on Hosts and Calendars, scroll down a bit. This is where you'll be able to make sure you've linked the correct calendar. And if you have multiple calendars, you'll need to make sure the one you add events to is also being checked for conflicts. Next, we'll head over to our Google Calendar. And this part is very important. So when we add an event that we want Koalendar to block our availability for, we have to make sure it's set as busy. We'll hit save. And now we'll refresh. And we'll see that the 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. slot is no longer available. And if we click Troubleshoot, we'll see it's also blocked off here. And we can set longer periods of time using our connected calendar as well, as long as it's set as busy. And our travel calendar is indeed linked. Here we'll hit refresh. And the 16th through the 19th are now also blocked off. So just to recap, for planned time off, you can use the Set Me as Away from within Koalendar, and for day-to-day blocking, just mark events as busy on your connected calendar. Happy scheduling!